Okay, when you were 10 years old and your sister was half of your age, today you are 70 years old. How old your sister today?
I don't have a sister.
दोस्तों आपको नई वीडियो में वेलकम है। दोस्तों आज का जो सर्वे है बड़ा थोड़ा सा फ़नी होने वाला है। मैं लोगों को इंग्लिश में कुछ एक ट्रिक पूछूंगा, एक सवाल पूछूंगा और देखता हूँ उसके जवाब दे पाते हैं कि नहीं दे पाते यहाँ पे शिकागो के अंदर। तो मेरा सवाल ये होगा किसी आदमी से, व्हेन यू वर 10 years old एंड योर सिस्टर वाज हाफ ऑफ योर एज, नाउ यू आर 70 years old, तो हाउ ओल्ड योर सिस्टर नाउ? यानी कि जब आप 10 साल के थे तो आपकी जो बहन है वो आपसे आधी उम्र की थी। अब आप 70 साल के हो चुके हैं तो अब आपकी बहन की उम्र क्या होगी? तो दोस्तों मेरा नाम है मिर्ज़ा शाहिद खान कादरी और आप देख रहे हैं रज्जी MTV। Okay, when you were 10 years old and your sister was half of your age, now you are 70 years old. How old she is sister now?
So I was 10.
It can't be 35.
35.
How much?
35. That's 35.
35? Really? Seriously 35? She's 35 now?
I see this on TikTok. It's not there.
Okay, when you were 10 years old, your sister was half of your age. Now you are 70 years old. How old your sister now?
You know what? I'll pass.
Any answer?
I'll pass.
Pass? Okay. All right. Thank you. How old she is now?
35. 35.
Are you serious? 35 today?
35.
You said 35? Are you serious?
Yes.
So what's your name? Where are you from?
My name is Eric
So where are you from? Which country are you from? America?
from Mexico.
Mexico. Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you very much, buddy. That's it. Thank you. Sister today.
She was half my age. When I was 10 years old, my sister was half my age. Was she older or younger?
Half of your age. Of course, younger. And today you are 70 years old. How old she is now today? She is half of your age.
For 45?
She is 45 today. Are you serious?
She hold on. Half of my age. If I was 10, she got to be 5, and then 75.
70 today.
70.
Today you are 70. How old she is today?
Ain't no number add up to 70.
No. Then you were 10 years old. She was half of your age. Today you are 70 years old. And now how old she is today?
I don't know.
Oh no. All right, it's okay. Thank you very much. Okay.
What's the answer?
Okay, when you were 10 years old and your sister was half of your age, today you are 70 years old. How old your sister today?
I don't have a sister.
No, it's just a question, imaginary question. Yeah.
No, I was just joking. Okay, so when I was 10 years old, I have a sister that was half of the age that was mine. Okay, so she's 5.
And today,
I'm 70.
today you are 70, and how old she is today?
Okay, then she's 65.
65? Seriously?
Oh no, wait, 35.
35?
Wait. She was 10 years old and then she was half of the age as mine. Then she was 5. That means the 5 years difference.
5 years.
And then yeah, if I'm 70, then she's 65.
Yeah, right answer. Yeah.
65. Oh my
You
god,
are
you
winner,
made me
yeah.
confused. I told you.
Yeah,
it
that's a
was
tricky
65.
question. Yeah.
A tricky question. Yeah, well, I know, but then I was like, well, yeah, 5 years difference, and then that's why I told you 65.
So where are you from? See?
5 years difference only. Then because then I was like, no, 35. There's no way this is the correct answer.
Hello. Hello, Bianca. Hello, hi.
No.
Okay, thank you very much. You speak Russian? Okay, до свидания. До свидания. Спасибо большое. Bye.
I don't know. I think it's 65.
Half your age.
Half my age, 10. Okay.
If she's 5 and you're 10.
Uh-huh.
Then, yes. Then 65.
Yeah, 65.
Yeah, right answer. Yeah, okay. Thank you very much. Okay, the question is, when you were 10 years old and your sister was half of your age, now you are 70 years old. So how old? Yeah, now how old your sister now?
You said I was 10 years old, my sister was half my age, and now I'm 70 years old.
70.
So she would be 65.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
that
So what's your name?
Arjun.
Arjun. You're from here?
Yeah, I'm from Rogers Park.
Rajasthan. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, the question is, when you were 10 years old, your sister was half of your age. Now you are 70 years old. How old she is now?
She is.
She was half of your age.
And now you're 70?
Now you are 70.
She's 65.
65. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. Right answer.
65.
65? Are you serious?
How old am I or my sister?
Sister.
Yeah, 65. Yes.
Thank you very much.